These are guinea fowls. They're my father's birds. And here I'm making ugali before leaving to Mbita, where I'm going to spend a night with my friend. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Koya Mtambo and this is Koya Diaries. And today I'm coming live from the beach where I'm enjoying the beautiful waters and the beautiful sunsets. This was taken by my friend. She has a very nice camera, as you can see the scenery. I'm now back in the city and the rain is really coming down heavily. Can't imagine we were experiencing a drought just the other day and tonight we are receiving heavy rain. I'm currently working the night shift and on a small break of about 15 minutes. It's 2 a.m. This is normally the toughest stretch from now until around 5 a.m. Fighting fatigue and sleep at the same time. We normally have a hot drink, either coffee or tea, and I personally prefer tea, but today I just don't feel like having any. For some reason, I tend to prefer being alone rather than hanging out at the nursing station with others. I'm not exactly an introvert per se, but somehow I prefer being on my own for reasons I can't explain honestly. Still on break, the workload is a bit light at the moment. I'm sure you've spotted the two hoodies I'm wearing. It's colder than average over here. Oh my god. What? And I'm really fighting sleep at the moment, but I can't completely relax because you never know when a call might come in. Yeah. I'll honestly give anything to be like those guinea fowls at my father's home, living freely without night shifts. It's giving the vibe of I love myself. That's why I'll not hug myself. If I'm tired, I'll sleep. You remember that meme? But I will leave you with a nice story. Listen to it. This is a story about a man and his goat. I mean, his boat. Nothing happens in this story or in the boat. There's a bird, as you can see, it's coming over. Then, because of bad editing, the birds just vamoosed. The man just rose. We don't know where he's going. You can see the boat over there. He just rose and rose and rose. We don't know exactly where he's going. And that's the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and like. Bye.